Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on Fedora Linux 43. Then we will see how to connect from psql client and DBeaver. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. First go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.1. Click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then select Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. See here, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, Fedora. Okay, then select the platform. See here we have the Fedora Linux version 43. Select it, then select the architecture x86 64-bit, then select the PostgreSQL version. See here we have the version from 14 to 18. So I'm going to install latest version. So select the latest version, that is 18. Then we have to run these commands one by one. So see, this will install repository RPM. So copy this one, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server and these dependencies. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. We have to give version number. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. Let me give without version. See, we have to give the version number -18. If you have installed 17, we have to give 17. Okay, see, service is loaded, but it is inactive or dead and it is disabled. Okay, we took it. Control A. Before starting, we have to initialize the database. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now check the status. See, PostgreSQL service is running, and also see here these are the PIDs for the PostgreSQL service. Press the spacebar for more information. See, we have the logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, logical replication, and this is a data directory. Quit to quit. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Also enable the PostgreSQL service for automatic start. Just replace this start with enable. Hit enter. Okay, see, I just executed these two commands. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. Now verify the version of the PostgreSQL server. This is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is psql client version. Verify the version by running select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.1. Okay, now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. We can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Alter all means the above command executed successfully. Now verify list of databases /l See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. Now create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. Sorry, \c. We have to use \c or connect. Both are same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. Create table customer. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. \q is the command to exit. psql -h. H means host name. PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Or I can give IP or host name. Okay. -u must be caps. Then in username is David. -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, you have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. \c. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.1 on Fedora Linux 43. Exit because we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -18. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 3 seconds ago. We do quit. Can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Exit. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service started. Okay, quit. If you want to restart, just here add re. That's it. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Quit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the DBeaver or pgAdmin. Those are the most popular tools. Now we will connect PostgreSQL server from the DBeaver. I have already installed DBeaver on Fedora Linux 43. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install DBeaver on Fedora Linux 43. Go to all applications, show applications. See, here we have the DBeaver. Click on it to open. See, this is a MySQL database connection. Now go to database and select new database connection, or just click on this plug button. Both are same. Then select the PostgreSQL server. Then click on next. We have installed PostgreSQL on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number 5432. We have the user Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.1. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. See, we have these databases. Right click on this database. SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now run the query inside the table that we have created. Select star from customer. Then select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.1 on Fedora Linux 43. Then we have seen how to connect it from psql client and DBeaver. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.